Witness the symphony of steel and power. These machines are a marvel of engineering, designed to tackle the toughest tasks with precision and efficiency. Get ready for a captivating... This is truly remarkable. The Petzolato PTH 1400/1000A LLROAD is a testament to human ingenuity. Its 700 horsepower Volvo engine and ability to process 800mm logs, producing 380 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, speaks volumes about our drive for efficiency and innovation. The lifting and rotating cabin, along with the crane, demonstrates our desire for effortless control and mastery over our environment. I've always admired the skill and strength it takes to be a lumberjack, but that is awfully damned hard work and dangerous as hell. Kudos to those brave and tough enough to keep the lumber flowing. Looking for power and versatility in the woods? Look no further than the OSA 270 Helgum. This bad boy can haul 12 tons with ease, and its advanced leveling system keeps it stable on even the toughest terrain. Whether you're forwarding logs or processing timber, this machine can handle it all. And with the OSA 710 processor, get ready to unleash the beast. Witness the incredible skill of Mr. Makata, one of Japan's last professional horse loggers, as he expertly guides his equine partner through the forest. This captivating footage, captured in Tono City, Iwate, offers a rare glimpse into a fading tradition. Observe the precision and harmony between man and animal, a testament to years of experience and a deep connection with nature.
Well,
removing trees is not a job for amateurs. Well, this gentleman has constructed a woodcutter in his backyard. While the initial setup required some effort, the operation is now remarkably simple and safe. I anticipate further refinements and improvements to this impressive creation. Ah, that distinctive sound. It evokes a wave of nostalgia for some, a thrilling overture to adventure for others. That 1974 Kenworth Big James with its Detroit 12 V71 engine. It's practically a sonic time capsule, transporting us back to the forests of our youth. I wouldn't be surprised if some of you could practically smell the pine needles and diesel fumes right now.